As the camera rolls, you can almost hear the roar of the raging waters. But look at the crowd. They're risking it all, chasing the perfect shot, completely oblivious to the dangers around them. Out of nowhere, these colossal waves crash against the shore, transforming a peaceful day into pure chaos. They say dreams can come true anytime, but for these two men, this moment turns into a nightmare as they're swept away by the raging waters. A slow, mesmerizing flow of molten lava. This is nature's artistry, a stunning yet dangerous masterpiece. Every so often, nature creates moments that are so rare, so extraordinary, they truly feel like 1 in a billion. Soft as clouds, but deadly as a storm. Look at this snow engulfing everything in its path. A mesmerizing, terrifying force of nature. This is the aftermath of winter's wrath. Snow blankets the earth, leaving a scene that's both serene and haunting. In Pakistan, a landslide crashes down with unimaginable speed, leaving chaos and helplessness in its wake. It's a sight that defies belief. The calm stream hides a secret. Suddenly, an explosion of water erupts, changing the scenery. A fierce windstorm rips through this peaceful neighborhood, tearing roofs from homes as people scramble for safety. This is nature's raw power on display. It starts as a beautiful view of the ocean. Then a massive tsunami emerges, chasing a boat that races for its life. The tension is palpable. A lone snowflake falls, and the moment that follows is pure magic. Whoever captured this deserves all the applause. Watch her change her color, almost as if performing a dance. This incredible creature never ceases to amaze us. Above the mountains, rings of light illuminate the sky, while below, cozy huts stand in serene harmony. What a view! Oh my god, look at this captivating sight. It's truly a scene that defies imagination. A split-second decision saved this car from disaster. Just a step forward, and it would have been crushed by the mountain above. A mud volcano erupts with fiery bursts, spreading its fury across the landscape. It's both mesmerizing and fearsome. As the sun sets, the sky paints a masterpiece, showcasing colors so vivid they seem almost surreal. Oh my god, look at this captivating sight. It's truly a scene that defies imagination. Even the most fearless adventurers know their limits. For this girl, nature just drew the line. Crashing glaciers in Iceland create a scene of chaos, leaving onlookers frozen in fear.
Holy crap! Danger, danger, danger!
Despite the imminent danger, people stand too close to the collapsing land. The tension is nerve-wracking. Fish behaving like this? It's a bizarre spectacle that reminds us how unpredictable nature can be. This mammal seems annoyed. Can you guess its name? Drop your answer in the comments below. The sky puts on a chaotic yet beautiful display, proving once again that nature loves to keep us in awe. A dog left hanging from a pole. It's heartbreaking, but thankfully it was saved just in time. Never put animals in harm's way. Oh no, a massive rock crushes a truck, showing just how fierce nature's wrath can be. In the sky, something extraordinary is happening. What is it? And how are these incredible waves forming? Look closely at these intertwining branches, so intricately beautiful. Scientists search for anomalies, and this bizarre plant is a perfect example of nature's wild imagination. Constant rain weakens this once strong bridge, cracking it into pieces. Scene is shocking yet fascinating. Even the mightiest man-made structures are no match for nature's destructive power. This scientific experiment raises more questions than answers. What's going on here? A massive collapse of land leaves everyone stunned and unsure of what to do next. The footage is jaw-dropping. Lava flows like liquid fire, mesmerizing and terrifying all at once. Witness the raw force of nature. There are no words to describe this. It's simply stunning. A motorcyclist rides over a bridge when an earthquake strikes. The ground shakes and the scene becomes chaotic. The sky touches the water in perfect harmony, creating a magical connection that feels otherworldly.
So dope. So fucking dope. Look at this. Ooh, got lightning though.
Watch as birds form patterns on the beach, transforming the scene into a living work of art. This enchanting view feels like something out of a fairy tale. Magic is truly in the air. Fluffy snow clouds settle on the ground, creating a rare and magical moment that leaves everyone in awe. The seamless connection between the sky and sea is breathtaking, a true marvel of nature. Nature's magic knows no bounds. Watch as the extraordinary unfolds before your eyes.
Floating right in the middle of the air. It's not attached to wires or anything like
A pink stream? This looks like a scene straight out of heaven on Earth. A sudden rush of water engulfs the road, destroying it entirely while people capture this once-in-a-lifetime event. Glowing lights in the dark forest. It's as if the trees are holding a secret party. A dust storm swirls with surprising intensity, a chaotic yet elegant dance of nature. The boat races alongside the birds in perfect synchronization. What a spectacular moment! A massive tsunami slams the beach, catching everyone off guard. Nature's power is both thrilling and terrifying. This seashell is nature's art at its finest, simple yet breathtakingly beautiful. A sudden gush of water erupts from a sea hole, scaring everyone nearby. This bird showcases energy conservation at its finest, a survival expert in action. Sea lions thrive in large colonies, often with hundreds or even thousands of individuals. When it's time to hunt, they work together. Watch this unique Turkish dance. It's a cultural masterpiece. The entire land slowly slides into the water, creating a phenomenon that's both calming and fascinating.
Красиво, да?
Bad weather and trees don't mix. These cars barely escape disaster. Let this be a warning. A stunning sunset near icy mountains. This is nature showing off its finest colors. In the pouring rain, a heroic policeman risks it all to save a young girl and her child. A calm water flow hints at something massive brewing upstream. People watch in uneasy anticipation. I can't believe this scene. It's straight out of a movie, but it's all real. A towering lightning bolt illuminates the sky, a breathtaking yet terrifying display of raw power. Meet the fearless drivers who conquer nature's fury with unparalleled skill and courage. Once again, a windstorm rips through, leaving destruction in its path. The fury of nature knows no bounds. A hailstorm like you've never seen before. The size of these hailstones is simply unreal. Watch as an entire stone cliff crumbles into the water. Nature carves its own path with an unstoppable force. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share to friends, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping videos.